Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a cute and stylish gift box at home. And the best part is, we'll be reusing old cardboard boxes. So, let's get started. First, we need to measure the size of the box. Since I'll be making a cube-shaped box, I'll use the same size for each side. For this box, I'm going with 6.5 inches or 17 centimeters for each side. Using a sharp scissors, carefully cut 4 pieces of cardboard that are of the same size. Now, we'll glue these pieces of cardboard together. Apply a generous amount of glue to the edges of each cardboard piece and carefully attach them to each other. Use a glue gun for a stronger and more secure bond. Once the sides are glued together, we'll attach them to a base. Cut out a slightly larger piece of cardboard to serve as the base of the box. Glue the sides of the box to the base, ensuring they're aligned properly. Now, we'll make the lid for the box. Cut out a piece of cardboard that's slightly larger than the top of the box. I'll leave about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters of extra material on each side, as we'll need this to bend the lid around the edges. To shape the lid, bend the extra material inward and secure it with glue. This will give the lid a nice, rounded edge. Now, it's time to decorate our box. Wrap the box and lid in colorful wrapping paper. Let's first start by cutting the paper for the box. Use the box size as reference. Use a glue gun to attach the wrapping paper securely. Now, we will wrap the lid with same wrapping paper. And there you have it, a beautiful and stylish gift box that you made yourself. You can also add ribbons or other decorative elements to personalize your gift box. Please give your feedback in comments section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.